Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Steam broadcasting not working using the easy method. This is a great way to repair your broken live video streams on your current setup session so your friends can see your active screen instantly. Step 1. Open your Master Settings panel from the top menu bar. The first step is to open your main application window on your desktop screen and head straight into your central configuration room. Move your mouse pointer up to the very top left corner of your screen workspace. Click once on the main word Steam. Look down the choice list to find the button labeled Settings and click on it. Watch for the main options panel to slide open right in the middle of your monitor screen view, displaying all your setup categories. Because you need to fix your main video sharing rules before your software can send your gameplay picture out over the internet network, opening this central panel gives you a clear look at your overall system rules. Without this step, your software will keep your sharing tools locked up tight behind your background walls. Step 2. Turn on your privacy sharing permission switch. Next, you need to navigate to your Live Streaming Preference tab and make sure your privacy rules are not completely blocking outsiders from seeing your screen layout rows. Move your cursor to the left side menu bar inside your settings panel, click on the row that says Broadcasting, look at the middle area of your screen canvas rows, locate the drop-down box labeled Privacy Setting and click on it once. Change the option inside this text box from Broadcasting Disabled to Friends can request to watch my games or Anyone can watch my games flat against your background view. Because the application engine automatically sets your video sharing rules to completely off by default to protect your privacy, if this selection box says Disabled, your computer memory card will kill your video signal instantly every time a friend tries to connect. Switching this option to an open setting tells the system engine that it is perfectly okay to share your gameplay pictures. Step 3. Enable the overlay tool to keep the signal active. The final step is to click into your general interface rules and make sure your internal display frame stays turned on so your shortcut keys can trigger your stream properly inside a match. Move your mouse back to the left menu bar, click the row labeled In-Game, make sure the toggle box for Enable the Steam Overlay while in-game has a clean active checkmark next to it, and click OK at the bottom to save your changes. Launch your game, ask a friend to click the Watch Game button on your profile name, and check your screen corner to ensure the small live text indicator pops up. Because the live video engine depends directly on your internal display frame to capture the moving pixels on your screen canvas rows. If the overlay is turned off, the video tool becomes blind and cannot broadcast anything. Saving these configurations wraps up your live setup completely, and your workspace behaves beautifully. And that's it. To fix Steam broadcasting not working, you must first click Steam at the top left and open your settings panel on your screen. Then, you move your mouse to the broadcasting row and change your privacy setting box from disabled to an open friend option on your screen canvas rows. Finally, you go to the in-game row and verify that your overlay display box is turned on before launching your play session. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.